Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, we're on the career space of Ajanta Pharma Ltd. My dear friends, this company is currently having vacancies in multiple departments for multiple positions. So, coming to the position assistant, number of positions are 7. The function is quality control. Desired qualification any ITI, 2 to 8 years of experience. The job location is Dahej, Gujarat. And the next vacancy is assistant HVAC maintenance. Number vacancy is positions are 1 manufacturing function IT electrician 4 to 8 years Dahej, Gujarat. And associate warehouse manufacturing any ITA candidate 3 to 7 years of experience Dahej, Gujarat. And next is assistant executive production BPHARM or mPHARM 10 to 12 years Dahej, Gujarat. And the next position is assistant officer quality control. 3 vacancies are there. BPHARM or MSc 1 to 2 years, so Chittigan. And next is executive any graduate HR 6 to 8 years of experience. Executive quality control quality management system production BPHARM or mPHARM 10 to 12 years of experience. GM or senior GM quality control QA and QC MSc or mPharma 15 to 20 years of experience. Next is manager EBMR production and manager finance. So vacancies are there. There are several other vacancies. You can also check them. So thank you for watching, my dear friends. For job updates like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel pharmajobalert.in. See you in the next video with more job updates like this.